All right. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum. Today, my group, which consists of three members. I'm the first one. My name is Muhammad Rizan bin Bakar, and my other teammate is Muhammad Fazrin bin Azhar, and another one is Amirul Haziq Fahmi bin Mazid. And today we're going to do a presentation about 2D transformation of objects. Okay, so these are the contents of our reports: summary of project, introduction, discussion, conclusion, and lastly, the citation. So for the summary, this project is based on the 2D transformation. And for the introduction part, this project will cover most of 2D transformation that we have learned in the chapter 9. In this chapter, we learned there are 5 types of 2D transformations such as translation, rotation, reflection, scaling, and shearing. And each transformation have their own methods and formula on how to transform them. And besides that, we we can also calculate them by using the column vector representation for the points, or also can be called as pre-multiplication of the transformation. As for the points, it also can label it as the xy plane to indicate the coordinate of the points during the transformation. And lastly, we also learned about how to code different types of 2D transformation, as most of the resources we're going are from the website and lecture materials. And after that, I'm going to pass to my teammate, Muhammad Fazrin.
All right. Okay.
Wait a minute. Can you just share your screen? Yeah, just share it.
Yeah, but you need to close your sharing first.
All right.
So basic my screen. Yeah, screen. So can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
So my name is Muhammad Fazrin and I will show you the coding of our project. So this is the coding, the entire coding. But if we want to see the output, we need to go to the VS Code right here. So first, we start with the output that will be shown, which is like this. Wait a second. Let's come back. Take a second. So firstly, we're gonna see that we're gonna see this, which is it prompt the user to choose option from 1 to 5, which is number 1. If we choose 1, it goes to the rotation function. And if 2, we go to the translation, and 3, we go to shearing, 4, scaling, and 5 is reflection. If the input is 1, it go to the case 1 here. So it goes rectangle. It shows rectangle with rotation, angle of rotation. So in the angle of rotation, we need to input any number that we like. So it will show in the Windows BGI here. So let's say I put 5. And it will show here. The output is as shown. And next, for the case 2, I choose 2, and bam, it shows rectangle before translation and rectangle after translation, which is here. This is the graphic output of the coding. Sorry, and moving on. Case 3. So for the case 3, it's about sharing. So we input 3. So it go before sharing of rectangle, after sharing of rectangle. So it shows like this. So that's all from me. Moving on to my third partner, Amirul Haziq. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bam.
Okay. For my part, which is case 4, which is about the scaling part. So let me run first. Okay, so I choose number 4, which is scaling, and then the output of the square will be here, which is the scaling for my for my rectangle, which is 3, so that when the square here, it will go 3 times larger than this. This is before scaling and this is after scaling. Okay, so next for case 5, which is reflection. If we can see here, this is the triangle before reflection and this is the triangle after reflection. I think that's all for me. Okay, we're moving on to
Conclusion
which is when Ridwan.
for the conclusion.
All right. Thank you, Haziq and Fazrin. So for the last part, all right. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So lastly, for the conclusion part, we learned that each chapter help us to improve our skill and knowledge on how the code works, as it has been implied with the maths graphic. Plus, we can also have a better understanding on how the transformation work during the coding session. And in conclusion, we hope that the knowledge that we gain will help us to improve our level of understanding in any certain area, as it also will easy our work in the future of other projects. And here's other reference and from the website that we gain in order to do the code. And that's all from us. And thank you.
Thank you.